welcome back. So I was talking about the formulas. The sum formula finds the sum formula adds the numbers together. The average finds the middle value of the numbers. So the mean, the MIN finds the smallest number in the entries. So while the max finds out the largest number in your entries. So if you look at our entries here, you have 24,000, 28,450, 2,399, 45,000. So it means if you are using sum, so you want to add the old entries together. So it means, for example, if you want to have here the total sum or the sum of your expenditure, like the sum of your expenses, so you can just use the formula, type in the formula, say equal sign SUM, then open your bracket here. Now this is where the stop comes in. You want to, you are preparing this spreadsheet not for only this data I've input here, but for the future data you are still going to be inputting. And mind you, your amount column, yes, goes down your column H, right? So just say sum, open bracket, capital H, then column H, then close up the bracket. So you have your sum value here. So automatically it means that you have spent 99,849. So that is the sum. And if you want to calculate, do you get it now? So, and if you want to calculate the maximum value, just do the same thing. Here where you have your SUM, just change it to MAX. So you have the maximum value here, which is 45,000, and you want to get your minimum value, say MIN instead of MAX, MIN. So you get the minimum value here, which is 2,399. Do you get it now? But that is not where we are. Okay, the count also, just type in COUNT, then. Now what we are doing here now is we want to know the net value you have. That is when you deduct your expenses from your income. Let's say this is where you want to have the value. So come to this box here. So this is our cell A3. So but I want to put it in the cell A2 here. So what do I do? One thing first, you need to understand that where you have your values for your income is on column E, and your expenditure is on column H. You need to understand that one first. But you want to do sum now. This is the same thing. Make sure if you are inputting your formula, always begin with equal sign. So equal, then sum. Open your bracket, column E, right? So column E, close it again, then minus. Now you want to get the difference between your income and your expenditure in order to have your net value. So minus sum what would that be? Next 2 seconds. Sum H. So you have your final net value here. So automatically it means that each time you are inputting values, for example, let's say the same day you made an expenses of 40,000, for example. So 40,000 is going to be deducted from your net value that you initially have. Can you see? You can see it reduces from 32 to the value. So that's how it continues. And let's say you have another income. Say say you just have two, just your income is 2. Let's see what you have here. So do you see it now? So that is how it works. So I will want you to prepare something similar like this, and if you get it, let me know. So thank you, and I'll be happy to have you back very, very soon.